Hi everyone. I bet you all have been wondering what's Corey up to. Keep watching and you'll find out.
I'm at the Audubon Society today to do some volunteer work. They're invasive weeds in the plant nursery. It's my job to pull them out.
Oh boy, look at all these weeds. This is a lesson in self-awareness. I have to be careful not to walk through poison ivy, and I have to be careful not to touch myself with my gloves. What do I do when I have to scratch an itch? We made a dent.
As you can see, we picked out all these weeds and put them in the bucket. So we pulled all these weeds and there are bugs underneath and all that kind of jazz. So basically what's hard is picking up these weeds and all that kind of stuff, but there's a worm right there and all that kind of stuff.
Also, what's hard is not touching myself with my gloves. We disturb all kinds of bugs, like this ant colony. Time for a movie quote. You little termites, I give you a second chance, and this is all I get. That's from A Bug's Life. Here's another wiggly worm. Woo, it's hot today. Time for a water break. And a snack.
We just finished weeding here at Beechwood Farms. I think I kind of liked it, and I think I probably would do it again.
Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you stay tuned to see what's Corey up to.